Hello and welcome to this brand new tutorial about Drive Architect. In this section I will show you how to use Drive services in order to create a new page in WordPress. Okay, so once you have installed Drive services, yes, so you can have all this bunch of Drive modules here. If you go here, you will find Drive Architect. Okay, you can opt in to get only the Drive Architect plugin, or you can choose to take all Drive plugins that is available for WordPress users. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to use Drive Architect to create new pages in WordPress. So in WordPress you go here on pages and you will select add new for creating a new new page on your WordPress website. Okay, so this box here will open, and if you don't have Drive Architect installed on your WordPress dashboard, you will find that you have only the possibility to use this box here. You can format your text with your WordPress classic editor, but this is not so professional. Okay, and that's why I use Drive Architect to build my WordPress pages. So once you've installed Drive Architect on your WordPress website, you will launch Drive Architect from here to create your new page. So you go here on Launch Drive Architect, you click here, and a new page will be opened. And from here, what page would you like to create? You have 4 options. Okay, normal page, blank page with header and footer, completely blank page, and a pre-built landing page. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about every one of these 4 options. Yes, in a normal page you can create content pages that should look like other content on your site. Yes, these pages use theme templates and are useful for creating content-rich company pages about us, services, pricing, etc. Okay, if I select this one, I will have a blank page with my header, footer, and sidebar predefined in my Drive options. Okay, in this blank page with header and footer, we will have a blank page that includes our header and footer. Yes, we can use this template to design full landing pages from scratch using blocks. This is mostly useful if you want to build a marketing page from scratch, like sales pages, lead generation pages, webinar registration, and so on. If you use this one, completely blank page, this is ideally for a completely empty canvas. Okay, use our page blocks feature to build a page from nothing. Build anything you want. Your imagination is your only limit. So if you want to have a completely blank page, you will choose this option here, completely blank page. And this one, the last pre-built landing page, this lets you choose from Drive library with over 200 pre-built landing pages. This is mostly useful if you want to build a marketing page but don't want to hassle of designing it yourself. Simply choose a design you like and modify to fit your needs. Now, if you are at the beginning with Drive Architect, I suggest you to select this last option from here, pre-built landing page. Okay, because it's very simple for you to create your content on the page. And when you master the Drive plugin and all its options, you can design a completely blank page from here. In my other video tutorials on my channel here, I will show you how to use every plugin from Drive and every option, so you can design your web pages easily and with no difficulty. Okay, so now I will select each of every these options from here, so you can see what I mean with every option. Now if I select normal page, I will have a page like this, okay, with my sidebar here and my footer from page, and this is my header and my logo and my menu here. And now if I want to design this kind of page, here in post content I will select some boxes from my right side of the screen here on this plus, where you can see add element. Okay, and we click here, and here I will have all my options for creating my my page. Okay, all I need from Drive Architect. So text, image, button, columns, background section, content box, templates, logo. I will not get into this one now. You have another tutorial of how to use this sidebar from here in order to create an article on WordPress. Is the same process here when you want to create a page. Okay, so now I will choose the second option. I will get out from here, go to another page. I will call this one 1. Okay, and I will save as draft. And now I want to show you the second option from Drive Architect pages. This will be 2. Launch Drive Architect, and the box will show up again, letting me to choose what kind of page I want. Now let's see blank page with header and footer. This one keeps your design on page, okay, and lets you add a block from here, where you see add a block, or drag an element into the page. Like I said before, you can use this add element from here to insert into above the block or below the block, and you can choose whatever you want. Okay, you can choose here some text, right? This is an example text. Okay, you can select an image if you want here. Okay, media library will pop up, and you can select your image and insert into post. Yes, you can edit from here. I will show you in another videos how to edit this. I showed you how to use these elements in a previous video. I will let you link into description to show you how to do that. Okay, but if you want to just add a block from here, you go here on the plus and select a block, all kind of blocks you want. So here you have articles blocks, steps, product, highlight, hero, area, text, content, yes, testimonials, theme, about, call to action, benefits and features, lead generation, list content, pricing table, statistics, contact, and illustrated list, and frequently asked questions. Okay, so if you select from articles, you will see here some boxes fitted with articles. For example, if I select this one, Drive will get me something like this. Okay, these are my articles on my blog post, and it will format it like this. If I want another blog, I will go here on blog plus sign, click it, and let's say I want a product highlight, and I want this. Okay, I click it and it will show here. I can edit if I want with text, yes, with images from here, add element, go on image, insert here, here, or here, wherever I want. Let's say I want to insert it here. I will have an image here. I will put this one, insert into post. So I have this image here. I can adjust the size however I want. I can remove this caption text from here. You can see in the left side of the screen, and now I don't have caption text. We can use all of these options from here to adjust my image. So let's say I want to make it upper, okay, or I want to make it large space here. I can do whatever I want, okay. And if I want another block, I use the same block option here, text content for example. I can select this one and I have another box which I can edit, okay. And that's the second option of the Drive architect for WordPress pages. Let's go now and select the third option. I will get out from here, leave page, and I will make another page. Let's say the third one, launch Drive architect, and let's see the number 3 option from the Drive architect, completely blank page, okay. When we start with a completely empty canvas, I will select this one, and as you can see in the box I have just a blank page with this option, add a block. The same option I presented you before. You can select on plus here, click on the plus button, and from here you can select whatever you want. If you go here, you can select show me all the blocks, content blocks, or just page blocks. Now it's chosen page blocks. If I select show me all the blocks, you will see all the blocks possible for this kind of page with Drive architect. So let's say I will select pros and cons here. I have these options here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options, and let's say I select this one and I have this box here which I can edit like every other boxes, okay. I can edit with some more stuff, yes, more text, colors, and whatever I want I can do it here. It's fully editable, okay. Everything is fully editable. Now this was the third option, and let's see the last option, okay. Add new again. I will add a new page every time, because if you created a page and you want to see the same options for pages, you cannot once you selected one, okay. So now I will call this one for launch Drive architect again, and let's say I want to test the last one, pre-built landing page, okay. Now here we can select from over 200 pre-built landing pages. All you need is decide what kind of page you want, okay. You can select Shapeshift theme here, and you have another options, a lot of options here. So let's go back. We go back to library here. We have Chic Smart 6 pages, yes, Consultant Smart 4 pages, Copy 20 Smart 10 pages. It's all by your choice. You can select what kind of design you want. And what's very interesting on this bunch of plugins from Thrive, and especially with Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect, is that you will get periodically updates of the plugins, okay, and these options will increase in time. You will have more landing pages, more design options, more features once you become a Thrive member. So you will have new stuff every time, okay. So for example, let's select this kind of landing page, Copy 20 Smart, and we click here expand. So now from these options you can select what kind of page you want. If you want hybrid smart, or you want smart video sales, or smart sold out, yes, you can smart coming soon, for example, or you can select this one here. You can select lead generation, smart download. You have here, for example, this is sales page or a landing page with descriptions, yes. Let's select this, for example, apply template. You go here, and now your template will be included in your page. So let's see how it seems. Is something like this, yes. You have a full done page, yes, already done page, and you can edit by your choice with pictures, text, colors, and every kind of copy that you would like, okay. So if you click here, you can edit. You can insert new stuff, as I already told you. So for example, if I want to insert a button here below this box, I will select button and put it here. So now I have a button here, okay. I can edit it with colors. So let's say I want something like red, apply, and I have a red button. If I go here on state and select hover, I can select the color that will show when I move my cursor on the button, okay. So I go here on main options, typography, and color. I will select, for example, blue. I click apply. Now I click here save work, okay, and I go back to the state of normal. So now I have a black text on my hover mouse over the text, okay. If I want to make another adjustments, I can use all of these options from here. Like I said you before, you can format all this text as you want. So let's get out of here, and now you can see how you can create your pages in WordPress easily and professionally, okay. This is very useful for all WordPress users. You can create your websites in minutes, okay. You have all you need on your Thrive product, okay. So even if you are not professional in creating websites, you can make a very astonishing website with very little time invested and small efforts, okay. Thrive plugins are very useful, and they will bring you a lot of options and resources, so you can make an awesome website or blog or sales pages, whatever you want. Okay, this is very useful. I use these plugins uh, for a while, yes, and I am very content with this. It's much more better than using your WordPress classic editor. Okay, if I use my classic editor, I will show you some example here. Let me delete these pages. So I go here and move to trash, apply, going to trash and delete all of this, delete permanently and apply. Okay, and now I'll delete it. Let me show you an example of page that is created with classic editor from WordPress. As you can see, I have these pages, but if I remember well, I don't have a page built with WordPress classic editors, but I have some articles, and I will show you some posts with Thrive and some without. Okay, so this one, let me show you. This one is my latest post. If I go here on view, you will see that this kind of post is made with Thrive Architect. Yes, you see all this kind of text here, formatted, and pictures. Okay, I have here social media, and here some related posts. Okay, this is my comments section, this is my lead generation for my ebook and the subscription to my blog, and here my footer. Okay, all this design, all this content here is created with Thrive Architect, so you can see how nicely is done. Now let me show you another article created with WordPress Classic Editor. So I will exit this one, and let me find an article, an old article that is created with the Classic Editor, not with Thrive Architect. Okay, so I think this one, yes, here you can see Classic Editor. These ones are with Classic Editor. I will have to convert them with Thrive Architect. So let me show you this one. It's an Romanian article. Okay, view, and you can see the differences. The text is something else. Okay, and this kind of font here, I don't like it very much. Sure, I created a nice articles even with WordPress Classic Editor, but with WordPress Classic Editor you don't have all the functions that Thrive Architect and Thrive plugins gives you. So once I discovered these services, I subscribed to them, I bought them. Okay, and I'm very content with this. I'm very satisfied, and now I want every articles and pages I have to build with Thrive Architect, because I like it very much. So I recommend you to check out these plugins. Okay, if you like this video and you found it useful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials about Thrive in general and about how to create a WordPress web page, no matter it is a blog post, website, or landing pages. I will show you step by step how to do that easily and with no problems, no much time involved, okay, no high skills involved. So pay attention to my tutorials, stay in touch with me, and if you want to check out these plugins, Drive plugins, you will find in the description a link to the website where you can buy these plugins at a lower price, okay, and you can test it out um, as much as you want, and I will promise you that will bring you so much value, okay, so much value is high better than everything else on the market. Sure, maybe there are some services that I don't know yet, but this one I know it better, I use it, and I'm very satisfied with my results and all kind of options I have with Drive. So thank you one more time for staying with me and watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.